Trump said that they gon' copy. Just got the call that they coming never poppy. I go crazy for the broccoli in my pockets just to sloppy. Foreign bitches, they Brazilian and they begging just to top me. I came straight from the bottom, where the fuck you gonna knock me? Pop the willies on Ducati, showing off in Maserati. Got them bitches on the mollies and they showing naked bodies. And I'm smoking on that giant green Jolly Rancher Jolly. And my money real tall, super tall like John Sally. Got the products of them baddies, tell the money on the Mary. Going choppers very scary, play with me and you can bury. Fuck your bitch if I want a backside a missionary. They can't do it how I do it, cause how I do it is legendary, bitch. Put up in the tank, think I ain't bitch, watch me. Hit it to the top and ain't no fucking way to stop me. Some say I'm married, you know others say I'm cocky. Never been a follower, Trump say that they gon' copy. That's cause everything I do, all them bitches gon' copy. Everything I do, all them niggas gon' copy. I say everything I do, they can't do, they too sloppy. So now everything I do, everybody gon' copy.
Pull up in the tank, pockets that's the guapi. Outfit, chain, jewelry, all Versace. My swag, they gon' copy. My slang, they gon' mock me. Hit my trunk, kicking like that bitch, no karate. Wax on, wax off. With this don't miss me, I get paid, broken extra 10. Then make it super shiny. She ain't too money out the roof. Need your money looking tiny, say they been looking for me. Well, it ain't hard to find me. Catch me blowing cushion Cali, yo, with Cali in Miami. Make it rain in the club, we make it Hurricane Sandy. Why so many damn Jews gotta keep the 40 handy? Know the fans can't stand me cause they think I'm dealing candy. Triple cup, filled up, grown up the kickstand. And every level wanna sign us cause they know we stick cannons. Everything we hit, diamonds, naked shit to the cameras. Bugatti ladies, your seats, gear, watch me vanish.
Purchase your tracks now.
Put up in the tank, think I ain't bitch, watch me. Hit it to the top and ain't no fucking way to stop me. Some say I'm married and the others say I'm cocky. Never been a follower, Trump say that they gon' copy. That's cause everything I do, all them bitches gon' copy. Everything I do,